Hey man,
What you driving?
Nice. I'm here with
Buzzy Hayden.
Buzzy Hayden. Nice, man. I have to ask you the question of the day. Hey, man, what you driving?
I'm driving a 1936 Chevrolet Masters.
1936.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. And how long have you had this car?
I've had it about 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Nice. And what shape was it in when you got it?
Oh, it was a basket case. Someone was going to build a rat rod out of it. So
Okay.
it was all spare parts and just, so I took it and made a decent car out of it.
Wow. Decent car out of it. And when you first got the car, how much did you pay for it?
I paid like $6,500,
Oh, okay.
but I got $7,000 worth of new parts with it. So
Okay.
I got a deal with it.
So some of the parts came with it.
Yeah.
And this color scheme, this is original idea for you?
Yeah, I made it myself. It was actually supposed to be maroon and silver, but the maroon that I painted on something I didn't like, so it ended up being blue and silver.
Okay.
My first paint job
First paint job?
and my last paint job because
Yeah.
it might work.
It is definitely a great color. I like the skunk theme, two-tone. that is definitely a nice car, man. And how much would something like this be valued at today?
Probably about 35,000.
Okay. And one more time, this car is a 1936
Chevrolet Master.
Chevrolet Master. Wow. Thanks for the interview, man.
Oh, you're welcome.
Buzz,
And you have a great day.
you too, man. All right, Buzz, take it easy.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more episodes of
Hey man, what you driving?